Hey guys, what if you had a lot of knowledge on a particular topic, but you had no real social proof? How do we actually get you to be able to make money online without the social proof? Well, we're here to help you with that today. But before we do, please, if you like this video, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe, also press that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Here at Product Creation Formula, we like to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. And along with that, we also like to do product reviews and also tips on how to make money online. So, with that, let's get into it. Okay, now, you don't have social proof and you have all this knowledge that you want to be able to share with the world. Now, one of the things you can do is to create a YouTube channel. Now, organically, YouTube will grow your channel if you create content on a regular basis. Now, I don't mean daily. It can be a couple of times a week like what I do. And then what you do is you upload that into there. Now, what you've done is by doing that, you're creating social proof straight away. Now, you'll have people subscribe, you'll have people join your group. It may not be a huge amount to start off with, but it's a start. And what you want to do is you want to build your audience. Now, as you can see, obviously you've got the biggest one right here in the world. He has over 100 million subscribers, and this one alone got 2.6 million views. And I would say it's only just been uploaded 10 hours ago, so it hasn't had a lot of time to propagate properly. Think Media is another big YouTuber, as we can speak to right now. And then as you go through, you can see all these different ones. And these guys here, and you got this one here, Nick Nimmin, they all have social proof because they spent time teaching on YouTube. Now, you might go, but how's that going to help me sell my course? Well, there's two things that's going on here. One, you could create a course that is about that topic. Make sure it's in a niche that you're working on, that you are an expert in. Me, I'm an expert in product creation, so I created on product creation and the various things that surround product creation. Like, for example, this type of thing. Now, what you can do is through doing this, you're creating yourself a natural audience. Then once you have created your course, you can put it in a package and you can put it in a membership site somewhere and you can sell it that way. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to create your own website or anything like that, is you can go over to Udemy and teach your course on Udemy. I will say this one thing though, you do need a very good microphone. The microphone I use is a Yeti Blue, and I have it on cardioid so as it's pointing directly at me at all times. Now, I was meant to be pointing that way, so as this part of the microphone here is the part that is hearing my voice. Anyhow, I'll just tilt that back a little bit more and I'll put it back where it was. Now, I also use a filter right here to try and block off some of the sound from behind it, and also so as it gives it a nice clear sound. There we go. Now, so by doing this, by teaching on Udemy, you're in fact going to be able to brand yourself as an expert in the area that you're working on. I've just finished some courses on things on PowerPoint presentation. I'm a product creator, so I want to be able to improve my PowerPoint presentation. So I've just finished doing some courses on that, and it's a lot of fun. Now, what you do in the case of Udemy is you make very, very short 2, maybe 3-minute videos. And at the end of a series of videos, maybe 5 videos or something like that, that's when you create a little, maybe a little questionnaire that people can fill out to help them be able to keep moving forward. Now, once you've done, by doing that, you are also getting put into a pool of hundreds upon hundreds of other like-minded individuals, as well as hundreds of other course creators. And you never know, if you price your course at the right price, what will happen is people will look at that and go, oh, I might join this one. And then as they join this one, you'll be developing social proof as well on this. And then you can also be upgrading them to the bigger course that you have created on another platform. Say, for example, you have a bigger course that's on another platform, you can send them to that at the end of being on something like Udemy. You can also go to Skillshare or Teachable or one of those other places if you want to as well. Either or you can do it on all three of them if you wish to, and become an expert on all three of them. But what you're doing is you're developing you're getting yourself an audience that's right here. Now, if you want, say, once you get your social proof on YouTube, you then obviously share that on places like Facebook. When you're on Facebook, let me go bring up Facebook for 1 second. Now we're on Facebook. Now what we're doing is you go over here and you can go to join groups. And what I've done is I've joined quite a few groups over here. Some of them are exclusive groups because I'm a member of their site. And yeah, so what you do is I'm all about making money online. So, and product creation and so forth. So, yeah, all my stuff is about product creation or making money online. And, you know, you'll see that a lot of my friends here on Facebook are people who are successful online. Now, what you do is you start to do things. You get a lot of people, you join groups. You join lots and lots of groups that are in the niche you're wanting to focus on. And what you do by doing that is you're developing yourself friendships on the social media. Then once you have created enough friends on social media, what you do is you start developing your YouTube channel. And you start promoting your YouTube channel on Facebook. And through doing that, you're then linking them to your Udemy page that you now have set up to teach people how to build your audience, or how to, whatever it is you happen to be doing. You're creating your product or whatever it happens to be you're creating. You can then add that, create your product on and put it on Udemy. You have to wait until you get approved. There may be some courses they go, oh no, that's not good enough, redo it. But that's okay. Just slog at it, keep going. Eventually they'll approve it. And once they have approved it, you can then promote it on YouTube. Now, YouTube is an amazing platform because it allows you to be able to, show yourself to the audience of literally millions upon millions of people. And, billions of hours of upload time is happening every single year. Now, there's more uptime in YouTube than there are people in the world. So it's just incredible. Now, if you have a look around, you can have a look at some of the big name people that are here. And I'm mainly focused on product creation, and in this particular case, it's about YouTube growth and so forth. So I've subscribed to a lot of people about growing my YouTube channel. You can do the same thing. I am also. I don't have to subscribe to people who do product creation, although I do, because I like to find out some of the keywords that they use. So yeah. Anyhow, with all that in mind, make sure that with this, you give us a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, as well as hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. And while you're at it, if you could comment down below as to how you would go about creating your social proof, because you do need social proof in today's market, otherwise people aren't going to take you seriously. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you later. Before you go, over on the left hand side here, you'll notice that I have two cards that'll be coming up very shortly, and those two cards, one is going to be a recommended video that YouTube recommends, and the other one is to a playlist. So guys, check them out and have a great day. Bye for now.